Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can apply a subscript to text in the Bluebeam Revu application. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to Bluebeam Revu, navigate also to the given page of your document and insert a text by using the text box tool here in the top right. Left click, draw your text box, type in your text. So let us go with subscript as the example word. Now, if you'd like to add the subscript here at the end of it, what you want to do, guys, is highlight the text. Here at the top, navigate to Style, and then you will see one of these options, Superscript and Subscript. Add Subscript, that is going to convert the entire text into Subscript. So, if that would be, for example, I don't know, square meters, I would do it like this. Type in M, and then add 2. For example, we have 30 square meters, right? Highlight 2 and then do the same. Style, subscript. Well, subscript is not square meters actually. It would be superscript, so you know what I mean. And that's basically it, guys, here. So we got 30 meters and then the subscript to the right. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.